Hey there, Steve Day, boutique property agent with a quick market update. Wow. Did you see what happened with the stock market and the cryptocurrency market this week? Massive pullbacks. And what's that going to mean for property, the property market? You know, property stock tends to often move together hand in hand. You know, cryptocurrency is only fairly new and that market just went wild, but at the same time they're talking about being the biggest bubble in history. Australian property market's just had some massive runs for years now, as has the stock market. Apparently no one saw this pullback even coming, even on the horizon. You know, how's that going to play the property market? Last weekend was the first big auction weekend for 2018 with just over half the properties going to auction selling. Clearance rates was about 57%, but you know, so many properties were withdrawn prior to. So you know, the true clearance rates obviously probably a lot less than that. But let's say of all properties going to auction, only half are selling. You know, confidence is not exactly there. This time last year, you know, we're up around 70-75% clearance. You know, a lot of properties were selling prior to auction as opposed to being withdrawn. So you know, this big pullback in the share market and the cryptocurrency market, the bonds market, it's another thing people aren't talking about. You know, prior to Christmas, they started to come off the ball for big investors. So what's that again mean for property this year? You know, I'd love to have a chat with you about it. You know, hit me up for a coffee. I'd love to give you my detailed views. You know, if it is that we're going into a tougher market now, tougher property market, you know, strategy is paramount. An experienced agent that knows how they're going to tackle the sale and get your property sold is so important. You know, give me a call. Love to have a chat. Like my Instagram, Facebook. You'll get some more tips and insight and information there on a regular basis. But again, feel free to get in touch anytime.